Use calculus to find the value of this expression. Okay, so let's rewrite this. Sorry, so let's just copy down this expression. So 4 upper limit, 1 lower limit, 2x plus 3 root of x. Okay, let's put that in brackets. Dx. Let's simplify 2x plus 3 root x. So this could be rewritten as 2x plus 3x to the power half 3x to the power half. Okay, so just in case if you didn't know, you could write root x as x to the power half, or you could write like cube root of x as x to the power a third, x to the power a third. Yeah, so I'm just rewriting 2x plus 3 root x as 2x plus 3x to the power half, so that it becomes simpler to do the next steps. So if we can rewrite 4 upper limit, 1 lower limit, 2x plus 3x to the power half, 3x to the power half, close bracket dx. So now we can write that's equal to, we can now use the square bracket and write 2x 1 plus 1 divided by 2. So if you didn't know the rule, it's add 1 to the original power. So here it's 1, in this case 2x, be 2x 1 plus 1, and then divide by the new power, which is 2, as 1 plus 1 is 2, and then plus, you write the limits 4 and 1. So now then what this then simplifies to is,
Really want you to help me, but help me to be myself and not an imitation.
let's rewrite this big chunk over here. So let's draw a line here. 3x 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 is equal to actually 3x, okay, is equal to 3x 3 over 2 times 2 over 3. That's what it really is. And when you cancel them out, you get 2x 3 over 2. So we can rewrite it as x squared plus 2x 3 over 2. Obviously the square brackets 4 and 1. And then the next step is we can now remove this square bracket and write, you have to calculate this. Now what we can do is so now we can solve this one by one. So now we can say that 4 squared plus 2 of 4 3 over 2 is equal to, then let's find out what this expression is equal to. 1 squared plus 2 of 1 bracket 3 over 2 is, remember this is a power, this 3 over 2 is indices just like 1 squared is. So this is essentially 1 plus 2 of 2 times 1, that is equal to 1 plus 2, which is 3. sorry, that's which is 3. So now essentially, so what this top hand expression is, 4 squared plus 2 of 4 bracket 3 over 2 minus 1 squared plus 2 1 3 over 2 is essentially 32 take away 3, which is 29. So our answer is 29. Oh yeah, keep this in mind that there's no c involved in here because we are given the two limits, 4 and 1, and we are asked to find the value. And so when we are given two limits and an expression, just as in this question, please do not include plus c because that is not correct. As when we do this bit here, when you do this, take away this, there's essentially an invisible plus c, but because you're taking away these two expressions, the c cancels out. So if you can't see that, let me just show that to you here. So the answer is 29, not 29 plus c. Let me make it clear. So the answer is 29. The answer is not 29 plus c. That is incorrect. The answer is just 29. And let me show you why the c cancels out. Even though when we integrate, we often get c values. So within this example itself, so we've got, when we integrated, we got x squared plus 2 of x 3 over 2 square bracket 4 and 1. So now what we do is we get plus c. Okay, let's put plus c there, 4 and 1. So then what we do is when we expand that, we get 4 squared plus 2 of 4 close bracket 3 over 2 plus c minus 1 squared plus 2 of 1 3 over 2 plus c. So then what happens is we write 16. So this becomes 16, this becomes again 16, this becomes plus c minus 1. So remember, we are doing 1 times this minus times this, so there's a minus sign, so be careful with that. Minus, and then minus 2 minus c. So you see there's a plus c and there's a minus c, so the c's cancel out, and then we get the expression then we get the value 32 minus 3, that is equal to 29.